I can hear. They're crunchy. Hi everyone, welcome to episode 3. Today we're doing dessert, just sweet one, just like Noi. Mama Noi special banana fritters. Crispy, crunchy, but soft and sweet in the middle. I'm gonna show you how. Let's go! First of all, gonna cut the banana. I choose this one because there's a good flavor and it's sweet. Any sweet wrapped banana. Just cut one first, like this. This one you can use hand, break up like this, see? Easy. Peel like this. And you just, it's nice piece like this, look. Cut all banana first. This one Marion favorite when she a little girl. Marion used to ask me to make her all the time. She say, Mom, can you make me banana fritters? She's so cute when she's little. I make her all the time. Now she's too big, she's not cute. She's bossy too. Now we're gonna make the butter. Everything that comes from the fridge. Must keep the flour cold, the egg cold, and the soda is cold. If the cold get to the hot oil, it's crispy. You listen to noise. I got plain flour here. This one called cake flour, lighter than normal plain flour. This one make it lighter. And you can use regular plain flour too. And you want some baking powder? Just mix a little bit first. There's a soda water. How come we don't have kitchen hand for this? I gotta do everything around here. And 1 egg, crack in the bowl first, you never know. Just get the fork, mix the egg first, a little bit. Mixing it till smooth. Look at that. See, that's what we want. Not too thick. Now I'm gonna wait till the oil is hot. Important, gonna get temperature just right. Too hot, it's gonna be burned. Nobody want burn banana. Too cold, we get oily. No one like oily banana. Use the chopstick to test the oil. You see this, that's a bubble? That means ready. Now let's cooking. This is a fun part. Put all banana in the corn flour. And you roll like this. This is corn flour, make it the butter sticky. Just put 1 or 2 or 3 in. I think I use a spoon to this one, see? Like this, and add into the oil. Just turning. Oh, look the color. But dripping, you take it away. Leave it there, they will burn. To retain the color, cook to the nice and golden. See how they pop up? Very nice. You check it, make sure it's not burning. See how light and fluffy? This one Noi special fritters. So nice and golden, just take it out now. Look at that. Oh, cook all the time, this one. Family favorites, special Marion. Look at that. I show you how nice it is. You ready? Listen to the crunch. Beautiful. See? Soft in the middle, crunchy outside. Perfect. Just like Noi. I'm gonna serve out in my bowl. You can serve like this or with ice cream. A little bit icing sugar, make it look nice. There you go. Another winner from Noi. Blow before you eat it hot. I can hear. They're crunchy. Beautiful.
If you've got any comments or questions, pop them below. And if you enjoyed the video, why not hit that subscribe button plus the little bell one, and that way you'll get notified every time I release a new video. Thanks, guys.